Hello, my dear students. Welcome back. The Ailing Planet, the Green Movement's Role, Lesson and Explanation, Part 2. The hard words for today are precede, patrimony, and deprives. And now it's time for explanation. Forests and deserts come first in order in comparison to humans. The ancient inheritance of tropical forests is constantly wearing away at the rate of 40 to 50 million acres a year. Also, the burning of dung is preventing the soil to become natural fertilizer. To meet the need for fuel wood demand, there is a need to increase the rate of forest plantation by fivefold by the year 2020. We are losing the forests closer to an acre and a half to a second, according to James Smith, President of the World Resources Institute. Next paragraph. Hard words are endeavor, anguish, casteism, catastrophic depletion. And now explanation. According to Article 48A of the Constitution of India, the state should try to protect and improve the environment and must protect the forest and wildlife of the country. But the painful fact is that laws are not followed in India. For example, casteism, untouchability, and bonded labor. They are abolished but still are followed shamelessly. Over the last 4 decades, India is losing forests at a harmful rate of 3.7 million acres a year as per the report of Parliament's Estimates Committee. Large area of forest land is now treeless and the actual loss is estimated to be 8 times the rate given by government statistics. Next paragraph. Hard word distorting. And our explanation. According to the 3-year study conducted by the United Nations using satellites and aerial photography, our environment has got so bad that in 88 countries it has reached the critical stage. Growth of the world population at such a fast rate is one of the strongest reasons behind the distortion of the future of mankind. When it took more than a million years to reach the first billion population, in the next 100 years, the population number increased by the next billion numbers. In the 20th century, the population reached 3.7 billion and the present number is 5.7 billion. Presently, the case is of the population increasing by 1 million every 4 days. Next paragraph. Hard words. Beget, condemns, sterilized, voluntary, coercion, perpetuation. And now explanation. Development is the best possible solution for overpopulation. It can help in reduction in fertility and rise in income, to spread more education and improvement in health. But If the number of population will keep increasing, it may not help in attaining any kind of development. As the rich get richer, the poor births children who are bound to remain poor. More population will lead to more unemployment. Humans should not be treated like cattle who are sterilized by force. But to control population, some elements of force has to be put on for family planning. Now, humans have to choose between population control and keeping up with poverty. Next paragraph. Hard words. Hurtments. Transcending concern. Demise. You should. An explanation. The population of India is 920 million. That is more than the population of Africa and South America together. If the population is not controlled, most of the people would die in their huts with just a hope. But with time, people are now concerned about the survival of the planet. We have now started to see our existence with a comprehensive view. Solving environmental problems are a passport to the future and should not be seen as a remark of our death. We should see the world as a whole and not as a different parts. Next paragraph. Hard words. Decisively. Felicitous. Freehold. Tenacy. Now explanation. In the era of responsibility towards the environment, industry plays an important role. Chairman of DuPont, Mr. Woolard, declared himself as Chief Environmental Officer, and such attitude in other businessmen can have a great effect on the transformation. When Margaret Thatcher was the Prime Minister, her one statement, which was so well chosen, she said that no human on this earth holds a permanent tenure. We all have life possessions and a full repairing lease. According to Mr. Lester Brown, we have borrowed the earth from our children. We have not inherited this earth from our forefathers. Here means that it is not a matter of inheritance. We have not received it from our parents, but actually this we have borrowed from our children. Means the main owners are the children, and these children, they are the whole and soul for the various things, and we have borrowed it for a time being. It is not forever, it is not for us, it is for the children, the coming generation. Thank you. I hope you have understood the chapter, and in the next part I will start with the question answers of this chapter. Best wishes. Thank you for watching. Meet you again in the next video.